Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In organic molecules, the hybridization of carbon atoms determines the length of single bonds, C, between them. sp hybridized carbons form shorter single bonds than sp3 hybridized carbons because sp orbitals have more s character, 50%, compared to sp3 orbitals, 25%, making them closer to the nucleus and better at overlapping. The molecule is HCC-CC-CH3, penta 1,3 DNA. Bond A is the single bond between the two sp hybridized carbons, C2 and C3 both part of triple bonds. This is an sp-sp single bond. Bond B is the single bond between an sp hybridized carbon, C4 part of the terminal triple bond Cc, and an sp3 hybridized carbon, CH3. This is an sp-sp3 single bond. Reasoning: greater s character in the hybrid orbitals leads to shorter, stronger bonds. An sp-sp single bond, bond A, involves two carbons each with 50% s character, while an sp-sp3 single bond, bond B, involves one carbon with 50% s character and one with 25% s character. The sp3 carbon in bond B contributes a larger, more diffuse orbital, making bond B longer than bond A. Weight re-examining bond A, sp-sp, should be shorter than bond B, sp-sp3. So B-A means bond B is longer than bond A. That contradicts. Let me reconsider the direction. B-A means the length of B is greater than the length of A, i.e., bond B is longer. Since sp-sp3, bond B, is longer than sp-sp, bond A, we have Ba. Why other options fail? A is equal to B, incorrect. Hybridization differences cause unequal lengths. B, incorrect. sp-sp bonds are shorter than sp-sp3 bonds, so AB, incorrect direction and magnitude. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.